everybody, welcome back to another Plan with me. Jody here with Plan All the Things. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner for January 18th through the 24th. And the kind of design inspiration for this layout is going to be pink and gold. This is a layout using stickers from one of the color story books. So I'm going to go ahead and start by laying out my washi tape. This is a really pretty thin pink washi tape. And I'm going to go ahead and lay down my big box sticker in the lower right corner. And then over here on the left, a large gold quote sticker. It says, "She loved life and life loved her right back." Thought that was fun. Putting up a gold circle today sticker. I'm really going to try to balance out the gold and the pink on this layout. Want it just to kind of complement and flow. I love these full box decorative stickers. They make it very easy for layering. Putting a little header there. This will be my task area for Monday. So far the new year is starting out pretty well. No complaints. We're still kind of in lockdown mode, so, everything is still virtual, and Andrew and I are super careful, so, we're not doing anything extra social than we have to do. So, in terms of like going out and whatnot. Just the basics. I'm going to go ahead and add some more decorative elements here. I really love these pinks. So here I decided I was going to get a little creative. And I decided to cut this full box sticker. Kind of lay it at an angle. And then on the other side, on the other side of the spine, put the other piece. And I don't know, I just thought that really looked kind of funky and cool. So I'm layering a couple of task boxes on top of that. For Thursday, I'm going to use a bulleted checklist, one of these bigger ones. I'm going to add some dots to these task boxes. I'm going to add a header. It says, "Love the weekend." And then this I wasn't too sure about, but I wanted to bring in one of these big script stickers, and I had this gold one that said "Happy Day." So I'm trying to carefully layer that in among the other decorative elements. Doing another checklist for Friday. Kind of under the darker pink, almost magenta. Here's a gold checklist for the week overview list. I mostly use that area to kind of note down things that I want to make sure I get done during the week. So it can be kind of duplicative, but that's okay. I decided I didn't like that sticker there anymore, so I pull it up and I put this one instead. And then I put that sticker over on the right side. I think I liked bringing in the darker shade of pink from that bigger sticker. And it had gold also in it, which is why I switched it. And I'm just adding in some more decorative elements. I'm not afraid to lay stickers up outside of the specific planner area, if you will. Those are sometimes design choices that I make that are very intentional. And then I really love this heart pink patterned box sticker. So I put that over there on Friday. And then I peel up some of the transparent sticker that was on the left and put that underneath, just to not waste, but also add another decorative element. So with that, I think it's going to do enough for this layout. I'm excited to see how it turns out after the pen. If you like this layout, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you want to be notified of more content I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.